Welcome to the channel. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel to get the latest videos updates. Today I talk about 8 best essential oils that can help treating back pain and inflammation. It's estimated that about 80% of Americans will experience back pain at some point during their lifetimes. Depending on the severity, back pain and its accompanying inflammation can be so debilitating that you might find work, hobbies, and everyday movements difficult. Acute back pain might require bed rest and pain medications, but chronic cases require lifestyle modifications. One such solution could be the use of essential oils. Essential oils are used in aromatherapy or diluted and topically applied. Clinical research has shown that some of these oils can alleviate various ailments in the body. Now I am talking about the 8 best essential oils for back pain. With all the essential oil choices available, it can be confusing to know which ones can actually help with your back pain. The following oils could help. Peppermint Essential Oil. Perhaps best known for its menthol undertones, peppermint oil is one of nature's most potent analgesics. Pure peppermint oil has at least 44% pure menthol content, which has been widely used for pain of variety sources. Number 2. Wintergreen Essential Oil. A close relative to peppermint, wintergreen oil carries similar analgesic properties. Specifically, wintergreen contains methyl salicylate, trusted source, which is similar to aspirin. Talk to a doctor if you are taking blood thinners or other medications, as wintergreen can increase the risk of bleeding. Number 3. Lemongrass Essential Oil. Lemongrass oil has been widely studied for its antifungal properties. One study in mice also evaluated its notable anti-inflammatory properties. Reduction of inflammation may lead to reduced pain, but studies are needed in humans. Number 4. Ginger Essential Oil. Often used in cooking, ginger has other effects outside of the spice cabinet. Its most notable benefits are anti-inflammatory properties, such as a 2016 study or rheumatoid arthritis trusted source showed. Number 5. Lavender Essential Oil. As one of the most widely studied and popular essential oils, lavender acts as a multi-purpose oil for a variety of ailments. According to one clinical review, lavender oil can help alleviate headaches and muscle pain. Such benefits may transfer to back pain as well. Number 6. Eucalyptus Essential Oil. Known for both its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, eucalyptus oil can have analgesic effect on muscles and joints. A 2015 clinical review found that the oil has promise in treating ailments like arthritis, the flu, and wounds. Number 7. Roman and German chamomile oil. While chamomile is best known for its soothing and calming properties, the essential oil has other noted benefits. These include reduced muscle spasms and overall inflammation. Take care when using chamomile if you have a ragweed allergy, as the plants come from the same family. Number 8. Rosemary Essential Oil. Rosemary is more than just a cooking herb. Rosemary essential oil has clinically proven benefits. These include reduced pain from rheumatic disorders and menstrual cramps. Such anti-inflammatory and analgesic effect may also be helpful for back pain. Number 9. Sandalwood Essential Oil. Sandalwood oil contains anti-inflammatory properties. Reducing inflammation in the back with sandalwood oil could possibly decrease pain too. How to use essential oils for back pain. Finding the right essential oils for your back pain is just the beginning. Next, you need to know how to use them properly so you don't get skin irritation or other side effects. Essential oils may be inhaled in aromatherapy or diluted and applied to your back topically or used in a bath. Apply them topically. Essential oil can be used during a massage or rolled directly onto your back, but you must dilute them first. Mix up to 6 drops of your selected oil with 6 teaspoons of carrier oil such as jojoba or olive oil. Do a patch test of your diluted oil on a small area of the skin. After 24 hours, if no irritation develops, it's likely you can safely use the oil on a larger area of skin, such as your back. Apply your diluted mixture to the back, liberally massaging in lightly for more absorption. Be sure to wash your hands before touching your face as you don't want to irritate your eyes. Also, make sure the oil does not enter your mouth. Inhale. Inhaling essential oils for pain and inflammation is another method. Add several drops of pure essential oils to water in a diffuser and leave it running in your home or office. You can add more oil or water to the diffuser throughout the day as needed. Take an essential oil infused bath. For a sore back, a warm and relaxing bath can help alleviate pain and inflammation. As a bonus, you can add diluted essential oils to your bath water too, adding 10 drops to running water. Take care getting in and out of the tub in case the oils make surfaces slippery. Risk and side effects. When used as directed, essential oils should not cause any major side effects. Skin rash and irritation can occur without proper dilution or patch testing ahead of time. Talk to a doctor if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any underlying medical conditions. Keep in mind that aromatherapy can affect pets, children, and others in the area. Other home remedies for back pain. The complexity of back pain requires a comprehensive treatment plan. Not only should you focus on alleviating pain, but you will also want to fight the underlying inflammation that could be contributing to your back ailments. Other treatments include an anti-inflammatory diet, core exercises to build muscle and strength to protect your back, ice and heat therapy, massage, physical activity, physical therapy, turmeric to reduce inflammation, yoga and other exercise that incorporate stretching and flexibility. It's important to remember that essential oils aren't monitored by the Food and Drug Administration for purity, quality, or safety. If purchasing essential oils, be sure to buy from a reputable company. You can visit our Amazon store to buy reputed company essential oils, link in the description box.